lake. We're going to be going all the way to the upper end of the lake today. We have a dock up there that we'll stop at. You guys will have the opportunity to get off the boat and walk over to Bering Falls, a short, easy walk. Along the way, on the way up there, I'm going to be giving a little tour, giving you some information, telling some stories. I'll also put the microphone down from time to time. I'm not going to talk the whole time today. If you have questions, please let me know. I'd like to hear your questions and know what you're interested in. At this point, if you want to go up there to the bow where it's open, you can do that. Just follow those guidelines. You see a picture of Wild Goose Island with St. Mary Lake and these big mountains that we're seeing off to our left. There's kind of 4 distinct peaks going down that left-hand side of the lake, and I'll just name those for you real quick. The first one off to our left is called Red Eagle. The second one down the line is called Matodapa. The third one down the line, sorry if my microphone is kind of cutting out a little bit. Third one down the line with kind of the snow near the top of it, and it has some spires as it goes out towards the lake. That's called Little Chief. That's the namesake of the boat you're riding on today. It's the tallest one of those 4. And then all the way down at the end, off to the left, is Dusty Star. Dusty Star refers to a meteor with that kind of dusty trail behind it. If you've ever seen the movie The Shining, the intro scene that it's kind of a helicopter shot going to the Sun Road, and then it flies right over Wild Goose Island. There's quite a bit of plant life growing on the island. I've never seen any wild geese out there, but I've heard stories of people on the boat tours actually seeing moose swim out there. I mean, that's like a random story probably from like the 1990s.